In this video, I'll be teaching you how to import a table from any website into Google Sheets. So say, for example, I wanted to import this S&P 500 component stocks table into Google Sheets. How I would do that is by using the import HTML function. So this will basically take in four key inputs, which is the URL, query, index, and the locale. So the first step is the URL. So simply copy paste the URL into your function here. And then your second input is the query. So what query refers to here is either list or table, depending on what type of structure the desired data contains. So in this example, since we're trying to import a table, I'm going to use table here. Cool. And then the next input is index. So index starting at 1, which identifies which table or list as defined in the HTML source. So what this means is basically the index of the table that you're trying to import. So in this case, since this table happens to be the first table in the HTML page, I'm going to type in 1. Just like this. Whoops, there's no need to add in quotes into that. Okay, cool. And then the last thing will be the language or region locale code to use when parsing the data. So we'll stick to English for this one. Just type in English US and then close everything with a closing parenthesis and then hit enter. It's going to ask you to allow access. To fetch the data, you just click allow access. And there you have it. You're able to import this table automatically into your Google Sheet. So this means that every time this table updates on Wikipedia, your Google Sheet will also have the updated data available. So this is a very handy formula to use if you want to import any sort of table from any website into your Google Sheet. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.